August 22nd, 2022. This one here I got a call for, guys. AC's down. He said I was over there a couple of years ago or something to his unit. So we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. I'm trying to get you some shots. It's not raining out. It comes up as a Rochester number, which is kind of, I don't know.
Have that number? I'll put it in there so I'll know.
Yeah, put it in there. That's my cell. If I.
What number you want me to call? The number I call, I get off the.
Yeah, you call my business, and if I'm not there, then I forward to myself, so I have the phone. Yeah, you want to call the business line. And then when I go home, I unforward it. So it's always.
Just know I said, man.
I think I added gas to this thing last time I was here, right? Refrigerant, I think so.
Yeah, we gotta be.
So it's not getting cold, and the fan's working inside, and everything's fine in there, right? Oh yeah, capacitor's puffed. Look at it. Look at how puffy it is. See the capacitor?
Okay.
See how puffy it is? That's your problem.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
That's why I said don't even turn it on till we look at it.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we just shut it down.
Hopefully I got this size.
Let me get it.
We're running out of them. You know, that's the problem. You run out of these sizes because there's only so many. I don't think that's probably. No, it's a 45. It's a 45.5, which I should have one of them in the truck. See how puffy it is? It's no good. See how puffy the top is?
Yeah.
That's your problem.
I gotta get the expert. Okay. Give me the other number or just to see what comes up, because I know I'm gonna be needing you for something else.
Oh, I mean, call the office number, like I said, and
Okay, that's cool.
I'll just. If I'm not there, I forward to my cell, so it comes up on my cell.
Same thing.
Not rocket science.
You leave me a couple cards, you know why?
Yeah, all right. I think I. Whoa. Got a zap there. I'm gonna shut the power off.
Let me shut the power off?
No, I'm gonna shut it off over here.
Okay.
I leaned against the capacitor.
My wife's been telling everybody, and I've been telling everybody about the air conditioning being on, because our grandkids came up Friday, you know, we said, okay, the Thursday wasn't bad, I didn't even use it. Friday I turned it on.
All right, let me pull the disconnect. I got a little zapping action there. Flipping dum-dum. Forgot to shut the power off. It's no good. It was like a little tickle action. No big deal. Can't be scared of a little zapping, can you? How's retirement going for you? Good?
Almost a dream.
Huh?
Almost a dream.
You almost don't agree?
It's almost a dream. What's your first name?
Steve.
Steve?
Yeah. It's the brown is the fan. That's the two-post. I think I worked for the lady next door.
Yes, you did. That's how I got you. You was working there one day in this last June.
That's the compressor, which is the 3.
I had to get on the list. I said, I don't mind getting on the list. I just want to get on the back.
Yeah, you're gonna get on the list, all right. And then these two are the.
Busy this time of year.
Yeah, I'm always busy. These two are the common.
I just thought the other girl was not today.
Yeah, I'll leave you a couple of cards, no problem. There's another common here. She should fire right up. Has it been cooling okay? It's definitely puffed. Has it been cooling okay other than that before?
Yeah, yeah.
It was cooling fine. Yeah, so you did check that. You did listen to me. All right, go ahead and turn it on, and we'll see. Check the charge here quickly. Let's see if it's. them what to look for last time I was here, so it makes it good for the customer. They know what to look for. The old brown turd. The old brown turd Goodman. I hit it with a hose last time I was here, garden hose. They call these the old brown turds, the Goodman, because they're noisy. Hear the Bristol in there making the noise? That's what they call it. A lot of AC guys will call them that. Yeah, she's getting cold now. That's good. Coming out hot, that's what we want.